Hello children, welcome back to the video lectures of social science. This is lecture number 6 of chapter number 14, standard 9. In the previous lecture, we had seen about minerals. What is minerals? Then we saw about classification of minerals, metallic, non-metallic, energy, and we also saw about which places they are available into majority. Today we are going to see about next topic, that is soil. Now soil is a very important topic because this also comes into your standard 10th, and you might have studied about this into your lower standards also. So without wasting time, let us start. Soil. We know that soil is the basic resource of agriculture. Okay, this we know. Okay, now whenever we talk soil, what comes into your mind? Okay, then we talk mati in Gujarati. Now you might have seen soil is different from different places. Like some places it is very sticky, while soil into desert is sandy, while soil into mountain is different from what is soil found near your house. So it is different from different places, but it is the basic resource or basic material needed for agriculture. The better the soil, okay, the better the soil, the good the agriculture. Beside agriculture, soil is also very important. Okay, so now what is the definition of soil? Then soil is a thin layer formed of the organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. This can be the definition of soil. Okay, so soil is a thin layer. Okay, remember this word, thin layer formed of the organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. So here organic and inorganic both matters are included. Soil is related to the surface of the earth. So it is related to the surface of the earth and not to the depth of it. In the same way, the apple with its skin. Okay, apple is, like you might have seen the skin of the apple. Okay, something like this, right? Then the skin is very thin, the thin skin. Then when you remove the skin of an apple, right, then the soil is something like that to an earth. It is very thin layer. You can say a layer at least not more than 3 inches. Okay, the thin layer on the crust of the earth is called soil. Okay, so the thin layer is known as soil. Now the next topic is how the soil formation is done there, how the soil is formed. Soil formation. Soil is the result of denudation of the rock. Denudation is breaking down. Soil is, denudation means breaking down of the rocks. The rock surface is eroded. Eroded means broken down. Okay, due to the factors like temperature, rain, snow, air, vegetation, and insect. Okay, now rocks are broken into small granules. Now why they are broken? Because they are mainly broken due to such kind of factors. One is temperature, due to extreme temperature, due to heat, cold, and rain. Second is rain. Third can be snow. Air also breaks it. Air, continuous air also breaks the rock. Next is vegetation and insects. So these are some of the factors due to which the rocks are eroded. Okay, they are cut off, and it turns into powdery form. Say ultimately it turns into powdered form, into granule forms. Thus it forms the land layer. In this layer there are gravels, see, smaller stones, pebbles, and soil particles. All these are included into it. which are known as regolith. So they are known as regolith. It contains only mineral content. It has only mineral content available to it. Then the biotic matter. Okay, biotic means living. Biotic means living matter like air, water are mixed later on with it. Finally, soil is formed out of this mixture. The process of soil formation is long term. It is not a small process. It can take hundreds and thousands of years. So it is a very long process. Okay. Now soils available into India. Soil in India are classified into 6 types. Remember this. This again is will be asked into a standard 10th. Soil is classified into 6 types: alluvial soil, black soil or rigger soil, red soil, electrolyte soil, mountain soil, and desert soil. So these are the 6 main types. 6 main types of soil available into India. Okay, let us see the map of India and understand it. So this is the map of India, major soil types. Okay, now here a index is given. See here the index is given. The yellow color portion in this map denotes alluvial soil. So you can see alluvial soil is mainly available into the top part, that is the northern plains of India. Okay, and these are the most fertile plains available in India. Next is black soil. Now you can see black soil is available into a large portion again, right, and it is also available into Gujarat. Black soil is very good for growing cotton. Third, red soil. Now red soil is concentrated mainly on the eastern side of India, you can see here, and this particular side. Okay, so it is mainly concentrated on the eastern side of India. Next is electrolyte soil, which is available into very less quantity. Okay, you can see it is near the western ghats. Here the western ghats are there. Okay, and the last one is desert soil, which is available mainly into Rajasthan. Okay, so these are 6 type of soil available into India and into this map. Now you need to remember this map very importantly, because this can be asked into your map section. Okay, you need to remember which places the different kind of soils are available. Now we are going to see about different kind of soil. The first soil that is available is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil can be divided into mainly into 2 parts: khadar and bangar. Khadar is new soil, while bangar is old soil. The soil formed due to fresh alluvial deposit is known as khadar. Now alluvial means all the dirt as this soil is formed due to river floods. It is found mainly nearby rivers, as this is formed due to river floods. Okay, now as I was saying, dirt, then soil, then debris, then trees, okay, even animals, all this whenever there is flood they are flown into the water, and they are ultimately deposited on the banks of the river, and that's why this is mainly found near the river. Generally such soil is sandy. It is normally sandy. Okay, soil contain old alluvium in the upper valley layer of a river is called bangar. Okay, it is sticky. See, now old is sticky while new is sandy. When you go near a river bed, you can see this, that the soil which is near the river will be sandy, okay, while away from it will be usually sticky. It has a darker color also, see, as it is a mature soil, that's why it has a darker color. Alluvial soil is seen in many parts of country. Their fertility is also different at different places, and they are considered one of the most fertile soils. Generally, soil is very fertile. It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. Right? So these are the places where alluvial soil is found. Next is black soil. This soil is found mostly in Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Black soil is the gift of Peninsula Plateau. So it is a gift of Peninsula and mainly found in the Peninsula Plateau. The soil is sticky and fertile. This you need to remember. This is very sticky and fertile. It contains humidity for a prolonged time. Humidity means it can remain like on the top. Okay, whenever there are rains, it is very sticky. But after the rains are over, you can see that it dries on the upper layer. But when you dig off, you can find that it is still wet in it, and that's why it can remain humid. It can remain wet for a very long time. It is formed from the metamorphic rocks. Okay, metamorphic rocks, remember this, and is very useful for cotton cultivation. Okay, and that's why it is also known as black cotton soil. Right, so the black soil is also known as black cotton soil. Right, it is also known as rigor in the some places. Right, next soil is the red soil. Next soil is red soil. Such soil is found in regions of igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is red color in due to the ferrous. Ferrous is iron and other human content. The soil is porous and fertile. So it is porous at the same time fertile. It can absorb a lot of water. Such soil is seen in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Jharkhand. So these are some of the places where red soil is found. The next soil is laterite soil. Laterite soil develops as a result of excessive erosion by rain. See why it is done? Due to soil erosion by rain. Due to heavy rains, the humus, okay, contains from the top of soil descends down to the lower strata, which is called leaching. Now what happens is, whenever there is, suppose this is a mountain, whenever there will be a lot of rain, okay, the top layer of the soil, the top layers, just imagine this yellow color is the top layer. Okay, this yellow color will start flowing due to excessive rain. As there is a lot of rain, right, it will take off this yellow color and it will accumulate this at the bottom of the mountain or any land surface, and this process is known as leaching, is called leaching. Okay, that is a type of a soil erosion, you can say. Right, so this way it is formed due to the excessive erosion by the rain. As the soil contains less humus, it is less fertile. See, as it is mainly flown down, it doesn't contain a lot of humus. There is organic substance into it, and that's why it is very less fertile. The red sandstone contains iron and aluminium into it. The erosion of this rock results into red color. As it is eroded, so it results into red color. Such soil is found in mountainous regions of Deccan, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha and some parts of northeast. Okay, so it is some of the places where it is mainly found, and that's why it is not too fertile. Okay, next is mountain soil. Now from the name you can know that it is found into mountains. Humus content is more due to forest. Humus means organic content is more due to forest, although it is differ from different places. That is not same everywhere. It is different from different places. Such soil on Shivaliki ranges is less fertile and less developed. See, the soil which is found in Shivaliki ranges is less fertile, while which is found in other places is more fertile in comparison to it. The soil is sandy and porous and does not contain humus. It doesn't contain a lot of humus. See, okay. Such soil is found in mountainous regions of country such as Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Hill Ranges, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and JNK. Okay, so these are some of the places where the mountain soils are found. The next and the last soil is the desert soil. Such soil is found in arid and semi-arid regions of Gujarat. Arid is dry. Okay, arid is dry regions of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. So you can see this is mainly found into west side of India. The soil here is more alkaline, means it contains acidic alkaline properties into it and has less human content. Agriculture has been made possible in such soil only through irrigation. See, agriculture is done but at a very less scale, and mainly it is done through irrigation facilities. So you saw that the six type of soils are available into India. Thus, a large diversity of soil of nation is seen due to diversity of climate and relief features. So, due to the relief features, due to different kind of climates, we can see that different kind of soils are available into India. So, with this, we complete our chapter number 14. Hope you have understood it. Revise the chapter. See all the video lectures from 1 to 6 and try to understand it and study it.